Let me eat my breakfast in peace, man. All right, so first what we're gonna do is gonna add some milk. After our milk, we got our oats. And then a portion of your favorite protein powder. Usually what I do with protein powders when I make oatmeal, I wait till the very end, because if you put it now with all the other, with some of the ingredients that are inside proteins, they like to curdle when it's hot. So I wait till once I'm done cooking it, then I mix it. I personally don't like my oats super hot. I don't like them super thick, and I don't like them super well cooked. So I like to cook them a little bit less than most people would in general anyway. The way I check if it's ready for my liking is I'll just stick a finger in. And yeah, it's still a little cold, so we're gonna wait a little bit longer. Keep mixing so nothing burns. Almost there. Basically, the moment I usually wait to is once I see the milk bubbling around the edges, that's usually when I can start finishing my oats off. You can do this in the microwave night before oats, so on your prep day you can soak up your oats with the milk and put them in the fridge. They'll be waiting for you, and then you just take your protein, mix it with a little bit of milk, add it to your oats so they're not too thick, and then garnish like we'll do later. So this is a nice consistency, what I like, and I'll turn this off now. Take it off the heat, and now we can add our protein powder. Give that a mix. Nice and creamy, but not too thick, right? That's how we want it. So it's just me eating this breakfast, so we're gonna just plate in the pot. I don't feel like getting another plate dirty. We're gonna take a little bit of our cantaloupe or melon, depending what you call it. And then we got some nuts. These are actually with a little bit of lime flavor, so that'll give a nice extra flavoring to our oats. Some of those on top. And finally, some linseed to finish it off. Just because we're at home doesn't mean that your plates don't have to look pretty, so follow me.
Where? Wow.
A little bit of Melissa, it'll look nice. Oh, we even got some with a little bit of flour here. See if we can rip it off nicely. Perfect. All right, let's go back. I wish you guys could smell that. Take a closer look. It looks beautiful.
Oh.
They've invented so much, they just haven't invented smell vision yet, so maybe one day. And we'll stick that in there. It'll give us a nice little bit of presentation. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Some melon. And make sure to come back for the next videos where you can find quick and healthy, delicious meals to make in under 10 minutes or less. And remember, the Patreon supporters, they can find the PDF files in the description down below, so you can make your healthy cooking and shopping and everything else a breeze. See you later.